hold up. It means to raise your arm. Hold up here. Splendid. It means famous. He's very splendid actor. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to the channel. So students, in this lesson I will teach you the most advanced English words which are very important for every students. So let's start the video. We have a first word, hold up. It means to raise your arm. Hold up here. Smarmy, extremely polite. Example, this baby is smarmy. Smashing, good and attractive. Smashing personality. Daft, silly and stupid, same meaning. Don't be daft. Graceful, beautiful and attractive. This is graceful ground. Dainty, it means do something very slowly. Example, you are very dainty. Starving, it means very hungry. I am starving today. Dilly-dally, it means to waste time. Don't dilly-dally. Dazzling, it means superb. Dazzling shot. Splendid, it means famous. He's very splendid actor. So students, we have those words which are very important and which are revised in daily life. By this way you can bolster your spoken. So take care. Bye bye.